Frankenstein C20 here today, Friday the 12th, I believe it is, January. Probably we're waiting for the snow this afternoon, so today, just a little brief update here. Won't be much going on with this next few weeks because I will be working 7 days a week for a while. But while I am here today, I am going to go ahead and get this thing bolted in and get the cherry picker out of here and unhooked, because hopefully this is my last weekend off. I'm going to get this thing pushed out of the driveway and get all this mess cleaned out of the driveway, get it put back in here, snugged up, wait a couple more weeks and I'll get out here and finish this thing out. But in the meantime, so as I was installing this, if you look over here, you see a broken tail housing for the transmission. Yep. Got to be careful. I didn't get my jack underneath the transmission fast enough. Chains popped. Back of the transmission dropped and snapped it like a twig. So here's my replacement. Of course, I just went ahead and painted it. Might as well. That way it'll remind me never freaking do that again. You know, I've been changing motors for almost 40 years now, and first time I dropped one. Hope it's the last. Hope it's the last. Don't want to ever do that again. But yeah, old Frankenstein bled out on us here. Bled more transmission fluid, but thank goodness it was an easy fix. You know, easy fix. $60 piece on eBay. You know, it's got the new seals and the new bearings and stuff in it, so there you go. New seals, new bearings, you know, whatever. It's not a bad fix. But yeah, you know, I just, you know, you get doing this stuff so much, you really don't pay that much attention, you know, but I should have been paying more attention. You know, you get these old motor and transmissions up in the air and you start twisting and turning and pulling on them. Yeah, I should have checked my bolts before I lifted it up. But I never thought nothing about it because, well, when I jerked it out of there, I just left it hooked up to the cherry picker and set it on my cart over here on wheels and never thought nothing more about it. And I should have reconfigured myself because I didn't like the way it was picking up crooked anyway. But yeah, that's the price you pay for overlooking something as simple, you know. Luckily nobody got hurt. So, but yeah, that's my next move, is I'm gonna go ahead and get this tail shaft in here, get the transmission mounts in, get the motor mount bolts in, and then get this driveway cleaned up this weekend. Because this thing has bled out all its fluids. So yeah, this driveway needs a good cleaning. Gonna get the cherry picker out of here, get this thing pulled up, cleaned up, put it on ice for a minute till I get some more time to work on it. It's gonna be a minute. Got a lot of work, 7 days a week from next month. So once we get caught up with that, it's going to take a minute off. We're going to get back on this thing. And in the meantime, we will see you later.